Hello, my name is Meekat Hadi, and today I will be presenting my Chatroom project for IT 114. I'm going to be implementing the features for Milestones 1 through 4 on how to use the Chatroom project. So that's the project I've been working on all semester. So let's begin. Let's build and compile the server. So 1 second. Build sht. So we're gonna be doing 3 clients instead of 1. So let me get all 3 clients out first. I'll probably just cut it just to make it go faster. Second one. Okay, I'm just gonna exit out of here. Hopefully this works like this. So first client, second client, third client, we're gonna be using 3 essentially usernames in this chat room for the project. Before we get into the chat room, we have the host and the port. These numbers must be similar because you are creating the server. And in order to connect to it, you must have the correct host and port number. The host is essentially, it helps create and compile the server, and the port number is somewhat like the key to get in. You need a similar port. Usually the default number is 3000. If you have compiled servers on VS Code or other compilers, you could work with 3001 or 3002, but in this case it'll be 3000. So yeah, let's go into it. Let's put our username. I'll just click next for all. I'm just gonna use my name, Meekat, and me. And let's connect all of them. Connect, and connect. Okay, we are in. So let's just show you that the basic chat room features are working in this scenario. So hello, let's just do what's up, and then for me, client 3, me, or not much. All right, let's just keep it that way. Yeah, so this is the basic chat room feature. Of course, this is like essentially milestone 1, where you can have multiple clients just interacting with each other. Right now we're in one room. So let's just begin with the server side functions. So let's just do bold, pound. Let's do b pound bold pound b, something like that. Right, there we go. And then yeah, so as you see, it is now bold, and the word is bold, but it's also bold as well. Next would be let's see. Italic. Oh yeah, let's do italics. I pound italic pound I. There we go. There's italic. Then let's do color. So red font. Space correctly. There we go. Red font. And let's do the other server side. Activities like flip, for example, right? Flip. There we go. The results of the coin flip is heads. Let's do roll now. slash roll 2d6, and the result of the roll is 8. Okay. And now let's try the mute function. So let's go to let's mute me, the third client. So we'll use client 1. We'll do slash mute me. When it comes to the private message, or excuse me, the muting message, when you get muted, you will get a private message to the person that has been muted, to the user, the muted user, where it does say you have been muted by the person that did slash mute. Let's also do the whisper feature. Also, I forgot to mention, as you see, the person that is muted out, me, his if you see in the user list, their name has been grayed out. Let's go to, yeah, let's use the whisper feature now. How does that work? Let's do, oh yeah, okay, let's use client. So at me is so annoying. Right, there we go. As you can see, the third client cannot see the other messages. They can't put any messages into the chat room, right? So they are effectively muted. And finally, let's do the export the chat. Let's do that. So I actually already exported the chat history. So let's do that real quick. Let's go to documents. Here you go. So if you compare it side by side, chat history has, when you export the chat to the to a separate file, in this case it would be a .txt file, this will come out in an HTML format. So for example, the way the server side formatting works with HTML is it uses tags. So open and end brackets would be even with the font colors, that's just how, when you export the chat, it's going to be converted into HTML, especially when it's put into .txt. So this is my chat room feature. This is how the chat room works for IT 114. Thank you for watching.